this 5-minute meditation for positive energy. Find a comfortable seated position. Allow your spine to lengthen naturally. Relax your shoulders. Rest your hands gently on your lap. When you are ready, softly close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently breathe out. Again, breathe in calm and breathe out tension. One more time. Breathe in fresh energy and breathe out anything that no longer serves you. Now allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. Simply notice each inhale and each exhale. With every breath in, imagine a warm golden light entering your body. With every breath out, imagine stress, worry, and heaviness leaving you completely. Breathing in positive energy. Breathing out negativity. Breathing in confidence. Breathing out self-doubt. Breathing in peace. Breathing out tension. Now imagine a beautiful golden light surrounding you. This light is pure positive energy. It is loving. It is healing. It is uplifting. Feel this light filling the room around you. Every corner becomes brighter. Every breath becomes lighter. Every moment becomes calmer. Allow this positive energy to gently wash away any emotional weight you may be carrying. Feel yourself becoming lighter, more relaxed, more energized, more alive. Now bring your attention to your heart center. Imagine a glowing golden sun shining within your heart. With each breath, this sun becomes brighter. Its warmth spreads through your chest, through your shoulders, down your arms, into your hands. The energy continues flowing through your stomach, your back, your hips, your legs, and all the way down to your feet. Your entire body is now filled with positive, vibrant energy. Repeat silently after me. I am filled with positive energy. I am calm and confident. I attract happiness and abundance. My mind is clear. My heart is open. My energy is strong. I choose positivity. I choose peace. I choose joy. Take a moment to feel these words becoming your reality. Feel your vibration rising. Feel your mood lifting. Feel your inner light growing stronger. You are connected to an unlimited source of positive energy. This energy is always available to you, anytime you need it, anywhere you are. Take one final deep breath in. Hold for a moment and slowly exhale. Feel gratitude for this moment. Feel gratitude for yourself. Begin bringing awareness back to your surroundings. Gently wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Roll your shoulders softly. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this positive energy with you throughout your day. And remember, you are light. You are peace. You are positive energy. Namaste.